ऑगस्टाच्या 6 महिन्याचेर आमी एक मर्डर रजिस्टर केल्ली चिकलीन. थंय एका आवयन आपल्या 14 म्हयन्याच्या भुरग्याक मारिल्लें आनी मागीर ती आपूण जुवारी ब्रिजाचेर सुसायड करपाक गेल्ली. First she had attempted to commit suicide by cutting her veins, and after that she had murdered her child, and thereafter she had proceeded to Zuari Bridge and tried to commit a suicide, wherein one DBL staff had rescued her. And further the Agasaim police shifted her to GMC Bambolin. So in this connection we had registered a murder under section 302, and magir more than 1 month she was taking treatment in the Iphb. So in the meantime she had gone for the anticipatory bail also in the children court, wherein her anticipatory bail was rejected by the court. The doctor has discharged her today, and after discharging we have taken the custody of the accused Nimisha Walson, and we have brought her at the police station, and further we have interrogated her in this crime, and she had admitted of commission of the crime, and she had admitted that she had murdered her child. There is no any particular motive, but she is telling that she was in the depression, and in that she had committed the said act.